In this video, using the new code editor at vectormathplayground.com, we will transform a spaceship in world space into the object space of the player character. The reason we may want to do this is to detect if the spaceship is colliding with the player. Detecting a collision in world space can be complicated. However, we can make the collision detection more straightforward if we place a bounding box around the player and transform the spaceship from world space into the player's local space. Then all we need to do is check if the ship's bounding box or bounding sphere intersects the player's bounding box. In order to do this, we're going to need to create the inverse world transformation matrix of the player and ultimately multiply the spaceship by that inverse matrix. This will allow us to place the spaceship in the player character's local space. Let's check it out.